Okay, get ready. I'm ready.
First, the mother butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. Then the egg hatches. The larva caterpillar eats its egg. Then it starts eating all the leaves around it. Look at those hungry caterpillars go. They grow and grow and grow until they're big, fat pupa caterpillars. When they've eaten enough, they spin some silk to attach themselves to a branch and make a chrysalis. Their skin comes off and the chrysalis forms. Then a couple weeks later, out comes the butterfly. Look at the beautiful butterfly. Uh-oh, forgot a wing. Fly away, butterfly.